Grant unto us communion with thee, Maker of earth and sky. Thy hands have set the heavens with stars, thy fingers spread the mountains and plains. Lo, at thy word the waters were formed, deep seas obey thy voice.
If you ask me about the summer classes, what I really liked the most was the art history class. It was such an unconventional way of looking at art and of looking at the history of humanity, both. And then how that was linked together to the development of the child. Then I was suddenly in a completely different understanding about child development, but also about humanity as a whole and where we come from. You just see things in a different way. That's amazing. Suddenly, I just felt for the first time in after a year in the classes that things were starting to come together.
Naroan, naroan, do iyo in hoyan. Naroan, naroan, do iyo in hoyan. Hoyan, iyo in hoyan. Hoyan, iyo in hoyan. Iyan hoyan, iyo in hoyan. Hawahayan, hawahayan. Hoyan, iyo iyan hoyan. Hoyan, iyo in hoyan. Iyan hoyan, iyo in hoyan. Nasegwa sikuja nesayo, shinaye da yama pekaseu, ma vendada lo shibedaneu, tibigu wini de San Mateo. Ayay bigushi pesikaru, na paña kame guiñado, ma paño mena disuki, na nishenya wala medashi. Tibigu wini tibiguro, parangabi alelula meluro, yaguyela megurianizado, urabire melumbaciado. Ayay bigushi pesikaru, ma paña pameguiñado, ma pañum benarisuki, nanishenya wala menashi. Tiwabi wini tiwabiro, sendekabi kukurianizado, sedaka mama yeshumizu, sikasu shita paragudo.
아리랑 아리랑 아라이래요 아리랑 고개로 넘어간다 나를 버리고 가시는 님은 심리도 못 가서 발병 난다.